Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. We're going to talk about 7 longevity-boosting foods that you should definitely add to your shopping list. These foods have been enjoyed for centuries and have numerous health benefits, so let's dive right in. Olive oil. Our first longevity-boosting food is none other than olive oil. Known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which has been linked to longevity. It's great for cooking, salad dressings, and even as a dip for your bread. Beans. Next up, we have beans, a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. They're packed with nutrients and can help lower the risk of chronic diseases. From kidney beans to chickpeas, the variety is endless. Beans are not only good for you but also quite versatile in cooking. Herbs. Herbs, like basil, rosemary, and thyme, are another secret to a long and healthy life. They not only add flavor to your dishes but also provide powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So, don't forget to add fresh herbs to your shopping list. Honey. Moving on, we have honey, nature's sweetener. Honey is not only a healthier alternative to refined sugar, but it also has antimicrobial properties and can soothe a sore throat. It's a great addition to your tea, yogurt, or even drizzled over some fruits. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. They can help lower the risk of heart disease and promote brain health. A handful of mixed nuts can be a fantastic snack or addition to your morning cereal. Starchy fruits and veggies. Now, let's talk about starchy fruits and veggies like sweet potatoes and bananas. They are rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins. These foods provide sustained energy and can help regulate blood sugar levels. So there you have it, 7 longevity-boosting foods to add to your shopping list. Olive oil, beans, herbs, honey, nuts, and starchy fruits and veggies. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not only enhancing your overall health but also increasing your chances of living a longer, happier life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And as always, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time.